This is one recipe that can be slightly intimidating, but is really easy to perfect. And today we're gonna dive right in and I'm gonna teach you how to make the perfect fried chicken. Today we're gonna be using chicken thighs and a really simple marinade to give it that base flavor. What you're gonna wanna do is start out with some chicken thighs. You can throw them in a bowl, but for ease during this move, we're using some plastic bags so we've got less to clean up. I'm going in with some Italian dressing. You can use buttermilk, regular milk, whatever you have on hand, but we're going to use this Italian dressing today just to give the chicken a little something for the flour and seasonings to stick to and to give it a little bit of a base flavor. In this bag, I have a whole bunch of flour. To the flour, we're adding our favorite Redmond's real salt. You can find this linked down below in this video's description. We're just going in with a bunch of it. You can go with just this, or you can add salt and pepper. You can add any other garlic, onion powder, different things that you want to your mix. But this is flour in here, and we're gonna put our chicken in it, and then we're gonna pan fry it. And to pan fry it today, we are using one of Caraway's largest, deepest skillets, and it's perfect for pan frying chicken and all sorts of things. And it has a non-stick surface. It is non-toxic, ceramic coated, and they are beautiful. We've got our oil heated in our skillet between 325 to 350 degrees. Today I'm using coconut oil. I find that it fries up chicken beautifully. It works really well and it's healthy for my family. I fry until one side is golden brown, and then I flip it, making sure that the temperature is around 165 degrees internally. This chicken is tender and juicy. It's one of our family's favorites. I even cut it up into smaller nuggets for the kids and pan fry them that way. Serve this with your favorite sides. It's gonna be a hit for your whole family. You can find Caraway's skillets linked down below in this video's description, as well as all of Redmond's real salt and seasoning salts. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.